Hello, good morning, friends. I'm coming up with magic short tricks on ellipse. These are 5 tricks. You will find that these tricks will help you in solving the question चुटकियों में. They are very easy tricks, and in your IIT, JEE, and other exams, this will definitely help you. Definitely help you, and I am very sure that you will come out with flying colors. If you like the videos, I'll request you to please subscribe it. This will only motivate me. Thank you very much. Good day. I am coming up with my notes. Here only, see the notes. Good morning, friends. I am here with my notes on magic short tricks on ellipse. These are 5 tricks, and we'll start with MST number 1, magic short trick number 1. How to find center of ellipse? Simply differentiate the equation of ellipse with respect to x, keeping y as constant, and differentiate with respect to y, keeping x as a constant. Now, here is the equation, and equation is 4x square plus 9y square minus 16x minus 54y plus 61 equal to 0. So let us differentiate it with respect to x, keeping y as constant. It is, look here, 4x square. Its derivative is 8x. Minus 16x, its derivative is minus 16. This is constant, this is constant, this is constant. Derivative of this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So what we get? X is equal to 2. Now differentiate with respect to y, keeping x as constant. हमारी नज़र y के ऊपर होनी चाहिए. 9y square, derivative of this is 18y. Minus 54y, derivative of this is minus 54, equal to 0, y equal to 3. X is equal to 2, y equal to 3. Question is done. Question is done. 2, 3 is the answer. अब second example is this. We have to find the center of this ellipse. Now, differentiate with respect to x. What you get? 5x square का derivative 10x और minus 10x का derivative minus 10. X is equal to 1. Similarly, differentiate with respect to y, keeping x as constant. This is constant, derivative is 0. 7y square, its derivative is 14y. Minus 10x, this is constant, derivative is 0. Derivative of 14y is 14. Derivative of minus 25 is 0. So you get y equal to minus 1. Question is done. X is 1, y is minus 1. Now, they are so simple. Now, let us go to MST number 2. How to find eccentricity? Case 1. X square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1. This is the equation of ellipse. अगर b square a square से बड़ा है, value of e will be equal to b square में से a square घटा दो, b square बड़ा है, divided by b square. Similarly, if a square is greater than b square, subtract b square from a square. a square बड़ा है, बड़े में से छोटा घटाते हैं. a square minus b square, divide by a square. Now, let us go to the example. This is the equation. This is example number 1. Coefficient of x square is b square and coefficient of y square is a square. Here b square is 4, a square is 1. B square is greater than a square. 4 is greater than 1. So E will be equal to 4 minus 1 over 4. It is root 3 by 2. Let us go to this second example. X square over 5 square plus y square over 4 square is equal to 1. Now cross multiply. Coefficient of x square will be 4 square. So coefficient of x square is 4 square. That is b square. And coefficient of y square is 5 square. That is a square. In this case, a square is greater than b square. A square 5 square है, b square 4 square है, a square is greater than b square. So formula is E is equal to, बड़े में से छोटा घटाना है, बड़ा a square है, a square minus b square over a square. So you get 3 over 5. Very simple, very simple. Now let us go to magic short trick number 3, MST 3. You have to find the length of the latest rectum. This is the equation, x square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1. Latest rectum is 2b square over a. Always it is 2b square over a. Now, in this case, a square is greater than b square. Case number 2 will be b square will be greater than a square. So when in case first and second, latest rectum, in the first case it is 2b square over a, in the case of 2a square over b. So अब यहाँ से आपको मालूम पड़ गया कि लेटेस्ट रेक्टम निकालनी है तो ये छोटे वाला पार्ट होता है 2b स्क्वायर छोटा है, यहाँ पे a स्क्वायर छोटा है 2a स्क्वायर ओवर b. So now let us go to this. Here b square is 4. Coefficient of x square is b square. So b square is 4. Coefficient of y square is 9. Here a is 3. So आपको ये लेटेस्ट रेक्टम निकालना है, फर्स्ट केस है. So a square is greater than b square, first case. Look here, first case. Latest rectum is 2b square over a, and we get 8 over 3. B square is 4, so 2 into 4, a is 3, 8 by 3. Question is done. In this case, b square is, a square is 81, b square is 100, b square is greater than a square. Second case, latest rectum will be 2a square over b. So 2a square is 81 and b is 10. Of course, answer is 16.2. Very simple. Now let us go to next. MST number 4. Look here, the sum of focal distances of any point on an ellipse is equal to the length of the major axis. This is a point, this is moving point, sum of its distance from F1 and F2. PF1 plus PF2, this is always equal to major axis, that is 2a. In this case, major axis is 2a. So let us go to the question part. Find the sum of the focal distances of the ellipse. This is the ellipse. Now let us put it in standard form. Divide by 400 each term. You get 16 x square, and that is x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. This is the standard form. So when you divide this, each term by 400, you get this. Here, major axis is a square, 2a, major axis is 2a, a is 5, so 2 into 5, 10. So PF1 plus PF2, sum of the focal distances is always equal to the major axis. It is always equal to the major axis. So major axis is, in this case, 10. So sum of focal distances will be 10. Let us go to the second question. Equation is x square over 2 minus r plus y square over r minus 5 plus 1 equal to 0. Put it, and you have to, if it represents an ellipse, if value of r should be how much? There are 4 options. Now let us go to the solution. Equation can be written as x square over r minus 2. देखिए ये प्लस 1 है, उसको उधर ले जाइए तो साइन बदल जाएंगे, तो r minus 5 will become 5 minus r is equal to 1. So in this case, since this is a square, square is always positive, so r minus 2 minus r is positive. So in this case, r minus 2 will be positive. So r is greater than 2. In this case, 5 minus r is positive. 5 will be greater than r. So it will lie between 2 and 5. Option B is there. Very simple. Now let us go to the last one. The line y is equal to mx plus c will be tangent to an ellipse x square over a square plus y square over b square equal to 1 if c is equal to plus minus under root a square m square plus b square. Now, here in example, look here, if the line y is equal to 2x plus c, यहाँ पे क्या है mx plus c, so m will be 2, is a tangent to the ellipse x square over 8 plus y square over 4 equal to 1, then value of c. So we want to calculate the value of c. We are supposed to know a square, b square and m square. M is 2, a square is 8, b square is 4. Simply put, a square is 8, a square is 8, b square is 4, and m is 2. Look here, y is equal to mx plus c. In the question, it is 2x plus c, m is 2. Substitute here the values, and what do we get? C is equal to plus minus 6. Option C is there. Option C is there. So these are very, very simple tricks. Hope you might have understood properly. I'm very sure after learning these tricks, you will definitely come out with flying colors. And I wish you all the best in your competition exams. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. Please share this among your friends so that they are also benefited. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.